kids, how are you all? Hope you all are well at your place and doing great. You are doing your homework also. Hope you have read the chapter that I gave you, and so we are starting our class. So welcome back. First of all, welcome back to our EVS class. Now we are starting. See, firstly we were doing chapter number 5, Beautiful World of Birds. So the password of the day is flightless. This word we are using for birds and insects. Flightless means birds or insects which cannot fly. जो उड़ नहीं सकते हैं, those are flightless birds or flightless insects. Is it clear? Password of the day is flightless. Firstly, learn the spelling of flight, F-L-I-G-H-T, flight, and less, L-E-S-S, less, flightless. So in the previous session, what we have done? We have done the recap of parts of a bird's body. Bird's body के parts का recap किया था हमने. I told you about like beak, upper beak, lower beak, eye, legs, 2 legs. Bird body consists legs, head, trunk, and tail. Right? So parts of bird's body we have done. Then the second thing was what helps a bird to fly. Bird को fly करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें help करती हैं? Their strong muscles, hollow bones, their tail which change its direction, right? And types of feathers. We have done the types of feathers. There are 3 types of feathers, right? First is flight feathers which help them to fly long and okay, and the second is down feathers which keeps the bird body warm, and then body feathers which give the shape to the body of bird. So these were 3 feathers, 3 types of feathers: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Down feathers, newborn bird के ऊपर mostly हमें down feathers ही मिलेंगे which cover them with like a sweater. Okay, it acts like a sweater. Then birds fly at different extents. Some birds fly at over long distances, some birds fly at short distances, some birds fly at very high distance. So these were the topic of different extents, like birds. कुछ birds कितने height तक fly करते हैं और कुछ birds कितने height तक fly कर सकते हैं. Then the next thing was birds that do not fly at all. जो birds fly नहीं कर सकते. See, some birds which cannot fly, I told you in the previous session, like penguin, and we have done it in the chapter number 3 also. So like penguin have webbed feet, and they use their feet to swim in the water, and they cannot fly just because their feathers, their wings and legs are very weak, so that they cannot fly. Like ostrich, kiwi, emu, these cannot fly. So birds that do not fly, it was like. And the next was जो fly नहीं कर सकते हैं birds they do not fly. अभी मैंने आपको password बताया था. Password was flightless. So birds which cannot fly are known as flightless birds. उन birds को क्या कहते हैं हम? Flightless birds. Birds which cannot fly known as flightless birds. Now the next was aquatic bird. Aquatic birds. Aquatic means that was our yesterday's password. What was the meaning of aquatic? Aquatic means live in water. जो water में रहते हैं. So some birds live in water. Most of the time they spend in water. So those birds are known as aquatic birds. Like swans, ducks, pelicans, gulls. These are the aquatic birds which mostly spend their time in water, and they use their webbed feet for the swimming. Now today what we will going to learn, we will talk about the nests. What is nests? Nests like घोंसला. Like we are living in our home. इस तरह से birds को भी उनका घर चाहिए होता है, तो nests bird के घर होते हैं. Nest is the house of birds. Clear? So I will tell you about the nests and nest of birds. Every bird के अलग अलग nest, अलग अलग type के nest होते हैं. We will talk about the sparrow, tailor bird, vulture, woodpecker and weaver bird. Okay, so now look at the another bird. Yes children, so now we are going to start our next topic, that is nests. So what is nest? Nest is a home of a bird. Nest is a home of a bird. Bird के घर को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Nest. Nest is a home of a bird. Is it clear? So why, like how birds make their nest? कैसे birds बनाते हैं अपना घर? Firstly, the first step is, there are some steps given. Firstly, they decide, the pair of birds decide that where to build the nest. Nest को कहाँ बनाना है? सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं वो? First step is decide where to build the nest. कहाँ पर बनाना है, right? And then the second step is collecting material. They collect the material for making nest. सारा मटेरियल एक जगह पर कलेक्ट करते हैं. एंड देन थर्ड स्टेप इज कैरिंग टू द बिल्डिंग साइट. जहाँ पर उन्हें बनाना है नेस्ट, फिर उस मटेरियल जो कलेक्ट किया है मटेरियल, उस सारे मटेरियल को कहाँ तक लेकर जाते हैं? जहाँ पर बनाना है नेस्ट. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप वाज पेयर ऑफ बर्ड डिसाइड्स दैट वेयर टू बिल्ड द नेस्ट एंड देन दे collect the material and then they carry all the material to the building site. जहाँ पर nest बनाना है वहाँ पर लेके जाते हैं. The last step is construction, और वहाँ जाके वो खुद से अपना घर बनाते हैं. Like us, birds also need home. Plants, birds need home. That is like animals also need home. हमें भी घर चाहिए रहने के लिए. इस तरह से बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स को भी घर चाहिए रहने के लिए. क्लियर? सो these were the steps, like how they build their nest. Now why birds build their nest? अपना nest बनाते क्यों हैं? Why? Because उनको रहने के लिए जगह चाहिए, right? First thing is this, क्योंकि उनको रहना है तो वो एक घर के अंदर ही रहेंगे. And the second is the lay and hatch eggs. वहाँ पर उनके eggs भी born होते हैं. Okay? Nesting means छोटे बच्चे. उनके birds के छोटे छोटे newborn जो birds होते हैं उन्हें बोलते हैं nestlings. So lay and hatch eggs, protect their eggs. वो अपने eggs को protect करने के लिए nest बनाते हैं. And nestlings from enemies. Enemies जो होती हैं, जो ऐसे बर्ड्स जो उनके अंडों को खा जाते हैं, जो उनके एग्स को उठा कर ले जाते हैं, उन्हें खा जाते हैं. सो बर्ड्स बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट टू ले एंड हैच एग्स, प्रोटेक्ट देयर एग्स फ्रॉम एनिमीज एंड नेस्टलिंग्स. लाइक प्रोटेक्ट देयर नेस्टलिंग मीन्स द न्यू बॉर्न बर्ड्स. प्रोटेक्ट देयर नेस्टलिंग फ्रॉम द एनिमीज, दे बिल्ड देयर nest. And the third thing is protect themselves from harsh weather. Harsh means kharab weather, like lightning, rain, tufan, storm, like so they protect themselves from harsh weather by building their nest. घर में हम घर में होते हैं तो हमें डर नहीं होता है harsh weather से, क्योंकि हम घर में सेफ होते हैं. इस तरह से birds भी घर में सेफ होते हैं. So birds also need nest. Birds nest is a home of bird. Okay, how they make it? Firstly they decide, then collect material, then carrying, then construction done, and उनका nest ready हो जाता है. And why birds build their nest? बनाते क्यों है nest? Just to lay and hatch eggs. And the next is protect their eggs and nestling from enemies and protects themselves from harsh weather, means खराब वेदर से बचने के लिए खुद को घर में सेफ रखते हैं. Clear? Now next I will tell you about the nest of birds one by one. So we are starting with the sparrow. Now look at it. Kids, so now we will talk about each bird and we will read about their nest also. Okay, so the firstly we will talk about the bird sparrow. Bird sparrow. So the bird makes nest. The bird make nest in houses or in trees or other protected places जहाँ पर उन्हें कोई खतरा ना हो. So sparrow make their nest in trees, on trees and in houses. हमारे घरों में आपने घर के आसपास भी देखा होगा स्पैरो के नेस्ट आसानी से देखने को मिलते हैं, राइट. सो द sparrow makes nest in houses, on trees and other protected places. And what material a sparrow use to make their nest? Sparrow use grass, leaves, straws and cotton to build their nest. Grass, leaves, straws and cotton to build their nest. Sparrow are making their nest with the help of grass, leaves, straws and cotton. Clear? So ये things use करके bird एक क्या बना रहा है? Nest. Okay. And now we will talk about tailor bird. Tailor bird. आपने देखी है कभी tailor bird? No. So firstly I will show you. It is given in your book also, so you can see that picture. This bird is tailor bird. This bird is tailor bird and you can see its nest also. So it is tailor bird and its nest. So tailor bird make their nest by using thread. Thread means धागे, wool and vegetable fibers. Vegetable fibers like which made with the cotton. Vegetable fibers जो cotton और jute से बनते हैं, बिल्कुल पतली पतली layers होती हैं. So the thread, wool and vegetable fibers, इन 3 चीज़ों से वो अपना nest बनाते हैं tailor bird. Clear? And they sew their nest with their beak. उनकी जो बीक होती है, चोंच होती है, उससे वो अपने नेस्ट को स्यू करते हैं. स्यू मीन्स सिलना. स्यू मीन्स सिलना. ठीक है, तो थ्रेड, वूल, ये चीज़ों का यूज़ करके वो अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं. अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द टेलर बर्ड. देन देयर इज वल्चर. नेक्स्ट इज वल्चर. वल्चर मेक द नेस्ट ऑन हाई ट्रीज. बहुत ऊंचे ऊंचे जो ट्रीज होते हैं उन ट्रीज पे अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं. वल्चर मेक देयर नेस्ट ऑन हाई ट्रीज एंड देयर नेस्ट लुक्स लाइक अ शैलो कप. देयर नेस्ट लुक लाइक अ शैलो कप. शैलो कप आई कैन शो यू. शैलो कप लुक लाइक दिस. उनका जो नेस्ट होता है वो इस तरह से बनता है, इस तरह के कप की तरह. अंडरस्टैंड? इट इज शैलो कप. सो vulture's nest looks like a shallow cup. And what material they are using to build their nest? They are using sticks and twigs. Sticks like wood के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े, that is sticks, and twigs like टहनियाँ. Okay, so these are the things they are using for making their nest. And their nest looks like a shallow cup. Shallow cup looks like this. Okay, and I can show you the picture also about vulture. So this is a vulture bird and it's his nest. Understand? Yes. So now I will tell you about the woodpecker. Woodpecker आपने देखा है कभी? Most of all students ने woodpecker देखा होगा. Woodpecker is a bird which make their nest in the tree trunk. In tree trunk. Tree trunk means tree का जो main wood स्टेम होती है, उस जिससे ब्रांचेस बनती हैं, जिसके ऊपर ब्रांचेस निकलती हैं. सो वुडपेकर मेक देयर नेस्ट इन ट्री ट्रंक. और वो नेस्ट कैसे बनाते हैं? दे मेक देयर नेस्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर बीक. उनकी बीक होती है चीजल लाइक. चीजल मीन्स बहुत तीखी. ओके, चीजल एक ऐसा टूल होता है जो कुछ हार्ड चीज़ों को कट करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. सो उनकी जो बीक होती है वो इतनी ज़्यादा तीखी होती है सो दैट दे कैन मेक अ होल इन द ट्री. सो woodpecker make a big hole with their chisel beak and that hole is known as their nest. उस hole को ही वो क्या बोलते हैं? Nest. You can see in this picture दिस बर्ड इज अ वुडपेकर एंड इट इज अ ट्री, और यहाँ पर उसने हॉल बना रखा है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? वुडपेकर्स नेस्ट. ओके, दिस वाज अबाउट द वुडपेकर. एंड नाउ weaver bird. Next is weaver bird. Firstly, I want to show you weaver bird. Weaver bird looks like this. Weaver bird looks like this. So the weaver bird, they make their nest with the help of grass and twigs. They make their nest with the help of grass and twigs. So what is the difference? Like difference is just उनका जो nest होता है वो नेस्ट का एंट्रेंस कहाँ से होता है? लोअर एंड से. बिल्कुल जैसे नेस्ट इस तरह से है और उसके नीचे वाले पार्ट से उनकी एंट्रेंस होती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द बर्ड्स का नेस्ट ओपन होता है ऊपर से और वो ऊपर आके बैठ जाते हैं, बट जो वीवर बर्ड है उसके नेस्ट में इतना डिफरेंस है कि उसकी एंट्री नीचे लोअर एंड से होगी. ओके, सो यू कैन सी दिस इज द वीवर बर्ड्स नेस्ट. Okay, and the entrance is at the lower end this path, entrance is at the lower end of the nest. यहाँ से entrance होता है. Clear? So this was about the some birds and their nest. I told you about sparrow, tailor bird, vulture, woodpecker, weaver bird. Read these carefully. And what is your homework of today? I'm just giving you a very simple homework. I hope you have already done that. I'm giving you for the learning. Learn keywords of lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Learn keywords of lesson number 1 and lesson number 2. Okay? Yes, that is all for today. Thanks for watching it. Bye-bye.